So you may recall I did a case review for my 12.9-inch iPad Pro. It was a very robust and rugged case. I have another case which is none of those things but is just as premium, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to MagEZ Tech Talk. So here it is, my baby, and if there's one thing I love out of all of the tech products I own, it's my 12.9-inch iPad Pro. But as I'm sure you know, if you're an avid watcher of MagEZ Tech Talk, you will also know that I am an avid lover of armored fiber. Pitaka have sent me this. This is what I think is another fantastic option for your iPad Pro. So not only is this a folio case, which is lovely leather effect folio, and it has all these nice funky folds and shapes and all sorts of goodness. And the good thing about this case is not only does it cover the iPad, so it covers all the bezels apart from this one here, because this is the side that goes inside your folio. So it covers all those sides. You get a flush camera bump there as well, which is pretty funky, but it is also magnetic. So if you look here, you'll see the magnet layout on the back of this iPad Pro case, and there's a lot of magnets there, and the reason for that is twofold. So not only does this case have magnets, but this leather folio also has magnets, which allows, see all those magnets, which allows this case to magnetically stick inside this folio, and there you go, you have a fully protected iPad. Now this leather effect is very, very nice. It feels very premium. We have this little magnetic loop as well for your Apple Pencil, and we have the cutout there for the Apple Pencil as well. So then that'll just pop over and check your Apple Pencil. So yeah, it's handy, isn't it? You're thinking that's a nice, slim, premium looking little package for your iPad Pro. But as I'm sure you may have noticed, on that case that detaches, there is this. This is the dock connector, which allows this case to be compatible with the Magic Keyboard. So if you have the Magic Keyboard for your iPad Pro, you can literally lift this case out, stick it into your Magic Keyboard. You can use your iPad with your Magic Keyboard, no issues whatsoever. And while it's in the Magic Keyboard, the edges of the iPad will be protected. That's something that has always given me the fear when using the iPad Pro in the Magic Keyboard. So there you go. And yes, I have my Magic Keyboard here, just so I can demonstrate, and literally docks on to the Magic Keyboard like so. So as you can see, there we go, we have, pretty neat. And then if you do ever have to lift it off, you have some protection there. It's not going to scrape the back. You've got that lovely armored fiber as well, which is nice. And then if you're done with your Magic Keyboard, you want to pop that back in your bag, you want to go a bit lightweight, you can just pop it back into your folio, and the job is a good. It means then as well, you can take the two of these both with you in your bag, and it's still a pretty small footprint, if I'm being honest. So I kind of like that. I love having options for one of my favorite products. Love it. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Have you got a 12.9-inch iPad Pro? Do you have the same dilemma as me, that when you use the Magic Keyboard, you've got no protection on your iPad whatsoever? You want something lightweight, premium, and sexy? Let's be honest. You might want to look at this. This is definitely, I love this. As always, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below for Pitaka's website. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up any of these using my links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. So that about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So keep it locked to the channel. If down to earth tech accessories and reviews is your cup of tea, then this is the place for you. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.